Hello and welcome to my channel. This Ambade Sasav is a perfect blend of tangy, spicy and sweet flavor. They are also called Hog Plum. Firstly, I have scraped the skin of the Ambade. Now I'm going to marinate them with little salt and jaggery and set them aside. This helps bring out their natural sourness while balancing it with the sweetness. Making the masala, I've added coconut, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, turmeric, chilies, small chilies, bedki chilies, and have grind them into smooth paste like this. In a mud pot, I have heated some oil, add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, some curry leaves, and now I'm going to add the Hog Plum Ambades. Mix them well and let it fry lightly. After frying, I'm going to add water and boil it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the grinded masala. Mix it well. Add extra water if needed. And now I'm going to let it cook until the masala releases its aroma. And there it is, a flavorful traditional Goan Ambade Sasav, best enjoyed with hot rice. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy the authentic taste of Goa. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more traditional recipes. Thank you for watching.